Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM. So to start off, you will need a little SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Usually they're in the back, so you can just go and it should be somewhere in a booklet. If you don't have it, you can also use a paper clip. So once you have that ready, select the device. The SIM tray is located at the bottom of the phone, so if I flip it over, it's right here. You have a tiny little hole, so we can put the SIM eject tool like so, and then push it firmly in. You will see it pop out. Then you can just pull it out all the way. And you have both sides labeled SIM1 and SIM2. It's also described which one is the top and bottom, so you know how to put it in. So to take it, you just want to put it like so with the cutout. Make sure that the cutout is in the right place, which if this is the bottom, the cutout is on the left side, on the bottom one. And then you can flip it over and also put the second SIM in there. Like so. Just remember that this side is the top, at least that's how I have it right now. And once you have that ready, you can just slide it back in without actually, okay, like so. And it will tell me to put in a pin of one of the SIM cards, so let's do that. Tap on OK. And as you can see now, both of the SIMs should be working. And it will automatically also take you to the settings of it, where you can customize which one is for calling, sending text message, mobile data, basically set how each one are used. So let's tap on them. It also can be found in the settings. So if you go into the settings app, it should be somewhere in connections and SIM card management right here, if you want to go back to it later on and change how each SIM is handled. So that would be basically how you would insert the SIM card and also customize it in the way which one is default and stuff like that. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.